Hello everyone, and thank you for watching my YouTube videos and subscribing to my channel. I'm really loving just having this as a hobby and knowing that I'm going to be helping so many people, mompreneurs and entrepreneurs. So if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any content requests. I'm happy to post them. I'm posting twice a week is the goal. So let's grow our own little mompreneur community. All right, today's topic is really been on my mind because it's part of my mompreneur and parentpreneur lifestyle hack resources. And I just want to give a huge shout out to Shipt, okay? I know that sounds crazy, but this simple hack saves me at least 10 hours a week of my time. It saves me mental capacity. It saves me from being stressed out at the store. So there are a million reasons why you should be using the Shipt grocery delivery app. Number one, you save money. You actually spend less money if you're using Shipt because you do not see all the shiny objects in the store, and your toddler doesn't see all the shiny objects in the store, and you buy more when you go to the physical store. When you use the Shipt app, you only buy what you need and know that you need. So, reason number one, saving money. Like, that is a super win. Even though they have an annual fee, it's $99 usually, it's still, I'm saving so much money. It's 100% worth it, and I get free delivery all year long. But you can get it for only $50 for the annual fee. If you sign up with my link below, it'll be in the description box below. So if you use my link, you'll save $50 and have free delivery on your groceries on orders of $35 or more all year long. Same day delivery. It's a lifesaver. And that way, so number two, I can be anywhere and get my grocery shopping done. I don't have to be at the grocery store. I could be at the gym on the bicycle. I could be, at home where my toddler's painting arts and crafts and doesn't have to sit in a shopping cart and get frustrated because he's sitting in a shopping cart, and screaming at the store. So I feel like all parents, even if you're not a mompreneur or a parentpreneur, should totally use the Shipt app because your child, it's location independent. You only have to be home during the delivery window. Okay. Number 4 is the free delivery because I don't have to, because if you spend more than $35, the delivery is free all year long. And of course, we all spend more than $35, right? When we need something from the store. I don't think I ever spend less than $35. So that is an awesome perk. And, we on 4? 4. No gas, no driving, no drive time, no gas. And a lot of times I want to get something at one store and that takes more driving and more gas, which is an expense. And then I have to go to multiple places and it takes hours and my kid is pissed off, and I'm not getting any work done, like spending all that time driving. Like, I can't work while I'm in the car. I mean, let's face it, sometimes I do, but I try not to. So that is a huge bonus. No driving, save on drive time, save on gas. And God, I just love that. I love not having to be like out and be like, okay, I can do my thing. I don't have to drive anywhere. I can focus. So I can save money on gas. All right. And number 5, if I do need to go to multiple stores, they have a million stores on their app. So it's like I could be like, oh, I need this order from Lucky's and I need this order from Safeway and I need to get this from CVS. And I can get orders from all of them. And I don't have to spend my time being there. Like, I legit do not understand why every parent who doesn't have the luxury and the time to sit around shopping, like, I don't get paid to go shopping for my house. What, because I'm the woman, I got to do all the shopping? And it's true, like, my husband doesn't sit there and be like, oh, we need this, oh, we're out of that. Like, come on, ladies. We all get stuck with that job. I mean, most of the time. For the majority. And so it's like, bitch, you're not paying me to go to the store. Like, I got shit to do. Shipt app is 100% solution. Way less meltdowns for my kids, right? So number 6, the super bonus. My kids are not unhappy and missing their childhood and spending their childhood running around doing errands. They can do better things. They can focus on learning to read, playing with their blocks, growing their minds, their education. You know, they could go to the park. We could do something else other than wasting our time in our lives in a store. It's a huge blessing. Link below to get the Shipt app. You'll save $50. Enjoy it, and you're welcome, because it is time saver, a life saver, a money saver, and a happiness saver. Because seriously, just even going to the store for me is mentally exhausting, and it's so far from what I'm thinking. Like, what's on the top of my mind is my business. Like, I want to be thinking about my business. I don't want to think about what I need. You know, I just outsource it. Outsource your grocery shopping with Shipt. All right, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell notification, because I've got so much more great content coming at you.